Organizations embracing digital transformation are redefining the way they operate. In an era where efficiency, agility, and precision drive success, digital operations are no longer an option, they're the foundation of modern manufacturing. Connected manufacturing thrives on real-time data access, empowering optimized processes, greater efficiency, and new opportunities. Introducing Nexops, powering smart factories with Gen AI and Industry 4.0. Nexops empowers manufacturers with real-time intelligence for smart factory solutions, integrating the best of Industry 4.0 and Gen AI. Imagine a facility where machines communicate effortlessly, real-time data drives decisions, intelligent insights propel productivity and quality. Nexops is designed to drive operational efficiency, ensuring that every process, from planning to execution, is optimized. Real-time monitoring. Real-time monitoring delivers instant insights to maximize productivity. Condition monitoring. Condition monitoring predicts issues early to improve system reliability, minimize downtime, and enhance safety, leading to increased operational efficiency and prolonged equipment lifespan. Energy monitoring. Energy monitoring reduces costs and enhances business-wide sustainability and efficiency by providing real-time dashboard insights, optimizing energy use, and identifying inefficiencies for long-term savings. Downtime analytics. Downtime analytics minimizes outages and disruptions to keep operations smooth and efficient. With Nexops, keep your operations running like clockwork, faster, smarter, better. For maintenance teams, real-time alerts mean swift fixes every time. Managers, streamline decisions and handle escalations in seconds with performance insights. And operations, live reports ensure processes stay on track and efficiency soars. Manufacturers are turning to Nexops to streamline operations and drive efficiency. Whether it's improving workforce productivity, optimizing processes, or building a smarter, more responsive factory, Nexops helps make it happen. Start your journey today. Contact our team to explore how Nexops can transform your operations.